Hello everyone, my name is Piyali Chatterjee Ghosh and I'm here to share an insight into the various careers in aviation industry. AASSC is a sector skill council from NSDC that aims to provide learning and training for the entire aviation industry. AASSC represents the aerospace and aviation industry to the ecosystem to ensure adequate flow of skilled manpower to meet the industry demands. The training programs are rolled out with the help of our training partners at their training centers. Job role of airline cabin crew is very impressively designed. After completion of this course, the student will be able to learn and imbibe major and minute skills pertaining to health, safety, food and beverage services, which will make them job ready and employable. 4 new airlines have announced its launch in India. In my opinion, lot of job opportunities are going to roll out for new aspirants for students of India. I would like to encourage more and more number of students in India who would like to make their flying career in aviation to join the AASSC's course for job role of cabin crew, complete certification and assessment, and take up the jobs in airline industry. Airline industry is one such industry which will welcome you with open arms and open hearts. You will be able to fulfill all your dreams, a high salary, opportunities to travel domestic and internationally, and most importantly, you will be able to fulfill the dreams of your parents. So students, what are you waiting for? Come and join AASSC's cabin crew courses and make a high flying career in aviation industry. Thank you.